Hi there, welcome to my outdoor kitchen here on the rooftops of Karlskrona. Tomorrow it's Midsummer's Eve in Sweden, and we celebrate that with herrings and other good stuff. But one important part is the schnapps. And for all you who hasn't done the schnapps yet, it's not too late. I'm going to show you a really nice schnapps recipe here. So we start off with blueberries, and it's about deciliter blueberries, and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, just for the little tasty sugary part of it. And then we add some lime. I first zest the lime, so we have some peeled lime. And then also I'm actually going to add half lime in slices like this. And then I'm going to top off with some really nice elderberries and elderberry flowers, and this is my absolutely favorites. So, and after that we just like tuck it down. Remember to just keep the stems, because it adds a little bit of bitterness to the schnapps. And then we add some vodka to the mixture here, and then I'm gonna round it off with some rum. This is 15 years aged of rum, so we get a little more tastefulness within this schnapps. Like that. Great. And then I just let the schnapps stand out in the sun until Midsummer's Eve and chill it gently. I never serve schnapps ice cold, but this is a really nice recipe. I hope you like it. Blueberries, elderberry flowers, lime, and some brown sugar, and round it off with some rum. Perfect.